Welcome back, Portugal, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Monday, October the 25th. First of all, a big shout out. The big shout out to that one person who watched this video yesterday. I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this video. Of course, it'd be fantastic if you would click the subscribe button, click the like button next to this video, and of course, click on the share button, share the video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also copy and paste the link into an email and share it with your friends and family that way also, okay? But again, a big shout out to the one person who watched the video yesterday. I do appreciate every single person who watches my video. So let's come over here and take a look at Portugal then. Okay, Portugal. See what we got going on here. Okay, this is a pretty brief report, but that's enough to give you the picture of what's going on. Okay, so what you can see here, this is the number of people vaccinated. Okay, and that is about 8 million people. This is the percent of people vaccinated, and that's about 80%. 76 to 80% have been vaccinated at least once. Now we come down here and we look at your cases. You can see you had most countries, some countries had a straight increase up to here. Okay, interesting enough, you seem to have this double dipper spike right here, which is kind of strange. But anyway, after that, you had a very long declining pattern in cases, very low case numbers during summer, an increase in the late June, and then after the spiking over here around something the first or second week of July, the case numbers begin to decline again. Now we come over here and we look at the month at the daily cases or daily deaths. You can see again a big spike here followed by a fall down, and now since maybe the March of this year, your daily deaths have been like really low, looking really low. If we take a look at this over here for weekly numbers, again very long decline pattern, low case numbers during the summer, an increase in late June followed by another decline. Okay, and it's pretty much again you're it's kind of hard to say too much because your COVID-19 deaths are just like crazy low, crazy low. You can see here in your monthly cases is really low numbers through the summer again. A little hiccup here, July, August, but then following a little hiccup here in July, 3 straight months of decline for COVID-19 deaths in or COVID-19 cases in 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 uh, in Portugal. Now, what about COVID-19 deaths? Well, simply put, your COVID-19 deaths are just crazy low. This number here is 1,000. So this is about 500. So since all the way back in February, you've had fewer than 500 deaths per month from COVID-19. Those are pretty doggone numbers. And these numbers over here are just crazy low. All right. Okay, Portugal. That concludes your report for today. We'll move on to Sweden next. The port of gone.